This is the ClickSmart Blade Flask. The Blade Flask was invented by clinicians who saw the need for safe and easy scalpel blade removal. The CDC estimates that 385,000 shops-related injuries occur each year in hospitals, which risks exposing healthcare workers to bloodborne infections such as hepatitis B, hepatitis C, or HIV. Recent data suggests that most shops injuries can be avoided by using better safety-engineered devices. Here's how to use the Blade Flask. If the Blade Flask has not been mounted with a bracket before, prepare the ClickSmart mounting bracket. The bracket has industrial-strength, double-sided tape on the bottom and screws and lugs are provided in the package. Use the fitting template provided to help mount the bracket on a wall, trolley or bench and insert the Blade Flask. You are now ready to remove scalpel blades single-handedly. Place the scalpel blade on the landing pad with the sharp side facing right and tang up. Push the scalpel handle into the Blade Flask until you hear a click. The click sound indicates that the blade has been safely removed and is contained within the Blade Flask. Remove the scalpel handle. The Blade Flask includes a counter which counts down from 100 to 0 and then shows full. This indicates when you will need to replace the Blade Flask. As the Blade Flask is a certified shops container, you can simply remove the Blade Flask unit from the mounting bracket and dispose of it as medical waste. With the ClickSmart Blade Flask, shop safety is as simple as place, push, click, and pull. The Blade Flask is compatible with most scalpel handles and blades and has safely removed over 100 million scalpel blades worldwide. To find the distributor in your area, contact us through our website at clicksmart.com.